I can't stop it. Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, we're gonna try all different kind of pepero. Let's get started. This week is Pepero Day, November 11. Pepero is a Korean pocky, which is a chocolate stick. And it looked like a 1, so November 11, 1111, which looks like a Pepero. It's basically Korean Valentine's Day. Korean gives Pepero to who they love. So today, I'm gonna get a bunch of different kind of Pepero and try them out. There are a bunch of different kind. Original chocolate cookie. I think I never had it. This thing didn't exist when I was young. Nude cream cheese. This is definitely new. Dalgona flavored Pepero. I'm so excited. Dalgona is my childhood. How many am I getting? It's a lot. We got everything. I think it's just a giant version. Oh my god, it's so big. Have you ever had it? I never had it. These kind of giant box is only available on Pepero season, so you can't get it after like this season. I think we got everything and we should try a different store, whether they have a different flavor or not. I'm gonna get 8 Pepero. That's a lot. Let's go get it. 고맙습니다. Let's go to the next store. When I was young, on a Pepero day, I was carrying like a bunch of it for my friend. Like, for a student, it's not just like to give to someone who you like or someone who you love. You usually give to the girlfriend, like friend who is girl. So I carry like 10 or 20 and just hand out to my friends, and they give me too. And at the end of the day, how much Pepero you get proves that how popular you are in the school.
How many did you get?
What?
How many did you get?
A lot, of course. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god, Deji bar. What the frig is that? Pop? Oh, 듣지 마세요. We're going to the every different convenience store so I can get all different kind of Pepero in the store. This is the last one and we're going to the CU. 11? Oh, I wonder it's a different flavor or just oh, it's an almond flavor, so it's just what we had. Oh, if you get this, you can get free popcorn at the Mega Box, the movie theater. They have a coupon. Ooh, oh my god. I don't think we got the rich choco.
Definitely not.
So this is more like a friendship. It can be showing friendship, but this one is more like a more romantic type. Gosh, this is a lot. I don't even know how to start it. This is not what I expected. I thought there's gonna be only like 6 or 8 different flavor, but how many is that? 13 different freaking Pepero. I think last time when I had a Pepero was like a long time ago, like when I was in middle school. I don't think I ever got it after that. So when I was young, there was only original, nude, almond, white chocolate, and I'm not sure about the strawberry one. And this is all I had. And now they have a bunch of different flavor and I'm super excited. When did this thing become like so creative? So let's try one by one. First, original. Ooh! Once I opened it, I can smell the chocolate so much. This is what it looked like. This is original Pepero and just regular chocolate biscuit stick. Let's try. It's just my childhood. It's like a very nice chocolate. Not super like strong chocolate, but very nice flavor. And this biscuit is very gosohara, like so bready, and I like it. It goes super well together. These days, like I feel like people don't like to get original because there are so many different flavors, and original sounds so boring. But I feel like this might be the best one. Like it's very simple, not fancy at all, but simple is the best. It goes super well. Like it's well balanced and I like it. I will give 7 out of 10. Next one, almond Pepero. This is another basic Pepero. This looks so much cooler than an original one. I really like the texture. This one is very rough. Mmm, super good. I really like how nutty it is. Once I bite it, I can feel all the texture of the almond. It's like super almond nutty and I really love it. More I chew, it get more gosohada, more nutty. But part that I don't like is the nut, it getting stuck in my tooth. I gotta get it out. I will give this 8 out of 10. Next, I'm gonna try another classic, nude. I like the word. This is what it looked like. Inside out. All the chocolate is inside. This one was my favorite when I was young. I still remember, I really liked it.
So good.
Mmm, it's so good. I don't understand why. It's so like basically same as this but inside out, but I like it way more. Mmm, ooh, so nice. Ooh, super different. Once you bite it, it melts down like a very nice beef. Once you put it in your mouth, it melts in your mouth. And this one is more like crunchy fried chicken. Like once you bite it, it's super crunchy and you want to bite it more. But personally, I like steak more than a chicken. So I like this one so much more. Listen. So different. So I like this one so much more. I will give 9 out of 10. White chocolate pepero. I don't really remember like how it tastes. This is basically cookies and cream and let's try. Ooh, no. It started off really nice cookie and cream like flavor. But to me, it's kind of too sweet. Like, yeah. Flavor is very nice. It's like very good white chocolate with the cookie. So it's like very creamy and good. But at the end, I feel like too much sugar. But it goes super well with the coffee though. Without coffee, I wouldn't like it, I think.
But with coffee?
Bomb.com. I will say this one, 6 out of 10. Last classic one, strawberry. I feel like I never got this. I just got it from my friend. I never bought this in my life.
Very cute. That's why you didn't buy it.
Kawaii! Strawberry desu ne! It's so, pink-ha다. Once I open, it smells like a strawberry milk. Let me try. Ooh. It is very like 새콤달콤, like a sweet and little tart. And kind of feel like you're drinking a strawberry milk. The flavor is very similar, but more tart flavor. It's very nice like strawberry ice cream or candy. Very good. I like it. I will give 7 out of 10. Very nice, but too kawaii for me. So now we're done with the classic and we're gonna have some adventures. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to try this and I was super curious. Nude cream cheese. Sounds super interesting.
It's delicious.
Yeah. This thing didn't exist when I was young. Oh, so cheesy. You know, like a little stinky, but it's really nice cheese. That's how I feel. It doesn't smell like anything like a cream cheese. It's more like just a cheese. Oh, cheese popcorn, like a buttery cheese popcorn. Oh, so good. Let's try. Ooh, I really like it. Super good. Really good. The texture is basically the same as the nude pepero, so it's very like melty in my mouth. I don't know, it's not cream cheese. It's very cheesy. Like there's one snack I really like is like a keto. That's what it's called. Very butter and a cheese flavor. That's how I feel. But in a pepero, it's so 이게 고소. It's so like stinky and cheesy, and I really like it. So good, like really good. Love it. So far, the best. Really good. I want one more before I move on. Oh, I gave this 9, right? Okay, this one is 8, 9. Really good. Next one, Crunky. Crunky is very popular Korean chocolate. It's basically Crunch Bar, and I think they collaborate. Oh, so good. What is it? You know, there's like a like a rough texture. Because of the rice pop, I feel like I dip Rice Krispie into the chocolate and eating it with the biscuit. It goes super well. 3 things go super well.
so good. You know, at the beginning of the video I said original is still good and the best is not boring. But when I have this, it's boring AF. It's like boring AF.
It's not that good.
Are you serious? Are you trying to have a fight with me? Do you want to go? Huh?
A crunky bar is better. It doesn't need the biscuit. When I eat it, I will rather just buy a crunky bar.
That kind of makes sense too. What the frick?
Why is there a biscuit ruining my fun?
It makes sense. It's not good. I just want the crunky bar now. I don't want it as a Pepero.
Exactly.
I never thought about it, but I would rather buy a crunky bar than a crunky Pepero. I was gonna give 8, but 5. 5 out of 10. Next one. Let's try. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared. Pepero Pop. It's like a popping candy in it. If you get shooting star at a Baskin Robbins, there's a pop rocks in the ice cream. Like once you bite it and you do and you do like you get what I mean, right? And that's what they have. Ooh, there's only 3. It's only 3! What the frick? I think it's gonna be thicker than a normal one. Let's look at it. Oh, it's a lot thicker. Oh, this one broke. So this is Sarah's? Dude, I need it for the... This one is broke. Sarah's? This one broke. Okay, so everything broke. I'm trying my best. It's a lot thicker than a normal one. It just looks like a thicker version of the almond Pepero. So let's try. Ooh. Can you guys hear? Okay, wait. No, I shouldn't swear. That's freaking cool! More than the other one, the texture is super different. It's feel like breaking the candy. Like the chocolate breaks it super easily like a candy. And I really like it. I think kids will love this. The popping part is super strong. So it's like a pop rock on steroid. Or in my mouth. Kids will love this. The flavor wise, I don't even remember. I was just having fun. Oh my god! It kinda hurt!
Right? It's so strong.
Super strong! To me, the flavor is more bready than a chocolate, but texture, the best. This Pepero is most fun out of all of the other Pepero. I really love the texture. I mean, taste-wise, it's not my favorite, but overall, I will give 8. It was super fun. You should definitely try it if you can find it. Next one, let's try Choco Cookie. It sounds super boring after Pop Rock. I think I should have done it like last. Let's try boring Choco Cookie. I think it's because of that. I mean, taste-wise is not bad. It tastes like very nice chocolate with the Oreo outside. And taste-wise is very good. But since I had a Pop Rocks, I don't know, it's like a meh. It's very rich chocolate with the cookie, but nothing special. Like you can imagine, that's what it tastes like. So it's kind of boring. Since it's really strong chocolate, it's kind of too sweet for me. I will give this 7. That's very nice, but basic. That's how I feel. So next one, rich chocolate. Ooh, 2 package. Oh my god, they're a lot thicker. This is very interesting. This is a lot shorter, but a lot thicker. It is double dip, like a white and a dark at the same time. So it's rich choco, and let's try it. What is it? That's super bad. The 2 different chocolate doesn't go well. You know, when you mix 2 different things, it needs like a really nice chemistry. But this one is neither. It's not even dark chocolate, but it's not even white chocolate. And those 2 different things doesn't go well. Tastes pretty bad. Start with the really confusing, what is it, and tastes bad. But at the end, it's very like a nice like cacao 88 dark chocolate. That bitterness is the only good part, but I wouldn't buy it. It's a 2 out of 10. I don't like that at all. It's so bad. Okay, next one. Oh my gosh, so interesting. Daejiba Pepero. Daejiba is a very famous Korean ice cream in Korea. It's a strawberry inside and a vanilla ice cream, and they cover it with the chocolate and a cookies. And it tastes really good and one of my mom's favorite ice cream. I really like it, so kind of curious. Ooh, kind of strawberry and a chocolate at the same time. Interesting. It looks pretty similar to the almond chocolate, and let's try. 뭐지?
It's horrible.
No, it's not.
I almost threw up.
It's pretty bad. It's like a strawberry chocolate pepero, but it doesn't go well. It starts with the strawberry jam flavor. After that, I can taste the chocolate and the cookies. Somehow, in the ice cream, it works. But in a pepero, doesn't work. I don't like it. I think the reason why this is bad is they use the strawberry really cheap one. Flavor of the strawberries, like a NyQuil or something. You know, like a strawberry NyQuil. That's how I feel. So it doesn't really go well. So I will give this 2. Pretty bad, like equally bad. I was super excited for this one. So disappointed.
It's disgusting.
So disappointed. Oh my god. I gotta keep my expectations low, but I love injermi and a pepero. Injermi is a Korean traditional rice cake. It's very nutty and 쫀득쫀득. They basically put bean powder on top of the mochi. Super excited. I hope it's good. Ooh! Oh! Oh! It smells super good. It smells so nutty. When I smell it, I feel like it's a traditional smell. It smells like a peanut butter milkshake or like very nutty, and I feel like I'm in a rice cake shop or in a traditional place. Ooh, ooh, ooh! I like it. When I had a first bite, I was super confused. Like, what does it taste like? It's just a little sweet and it doesn't taste like nutty. But more I chew, I can taste the injermi flavor. It's so accurate. They made actually injermi to pepero. Just texture-wise different, and this one is more sweet, but very accurate. I really like it. They keep the traditional flavor so well. It basically tastes like a peanut butter or oatmeal or any kind of grains. Super good. Super good. I will say an 8 out of 10. Last but not least, I think this might be the most exciting one. 달고나 pepero. I never had that, so I don't know what it tastes like. 달고나 is a Korean traditional candy, and I already covered it in a Kwon's corner. And if you like to learn how to make it, you can click here. Super excited for this, so let's just open it. Ooh! It smells exactly like 달고나. It's like super accurate. I feel like 아저씨 이거 하나 주시면 안 돼요? Like, oh, it bring me back to like 1995 or 1998. Like, it's 90s smell. Oh, so good. Ooh, super good. I wouldn't say the flavor is super accurate to the 달고나. It tastes more like a caramel milk tea. As a 달고나, it's more creamy than usual, but I really like how caramelized it is. So good. They know how to make it. I would say this 8 out of 10. It's really good. But my personal favorite is this one, cream cheese one. Other one is super good, but to me, everything was kind of sweet. But this one is more like so cheesy and delicious. So personally, my favorite. Least favorite is these two equally. Worst one.
No way.
Really, the worst one. This one tastes super bad. This one is super bad, but I can bear it. It tastes super cheap, that's it. But this one is bad. Please let me know in the comment down below which one you like the most if you haven't tried it. And if you guys want me to teach you more Korean holiday, please let me know in the comment down below too. That's it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕! 안녕!